Hey, cooling your jets here. I mean, cooling my jets out here in Gilbert, Arizona. Okay. Moon phases, yeah, we've had the super moon and all that. But anyway, okay. Come on, guys. I think this is what everybody needs to do. What I think everybody needs to do, at least. Try to get the moon. You know, I got about an hour, it's supposed to be coming up, but try to get the moon, you know, and watch it and see. Because they say the sun's shining on it, right? The sun's shining on it is what makes it look the way it does in its phases and all that. Let me see here now. That's going to be coming up somewhere. What we got? Let's see. Oh, I got a little hole there. I think maybe I can... Nah. Let's see. Catch it over here some. Nah. We've had more rain, more cloud cover than ever out here in Arizona. The last. It's all dark up here. And this is actually the, this is actually, believe it or not, guys, this is actually probably about where, let's see, the moon will probably come up about there. Maybe I'll be able to catch it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, hey, hang on. I'll just tag another video right to this one. But it'll probably be blurry because, you know, I can't get a decent, like as soon as it gets dark and I use my camera out here and as soon as I hit record, my lightness, it just doesn't work. It's not working right. I don't know what the deal is. I didn't want to zoom too, you know, but hang on, hang tight. Okay, guys. I don't know, probably 7:40, I'm going to be looking for that moonrise tonight. Moonrise, because I personally think the moon phases have nothing to do with the sun. I think there's a lot of coincidences that cause us, the observers, to believe that. But I definitely got my video. Earth 180 degrees out of sync is the most logical thing that makes the ball earth theory bullshit. 100% bullshit. So stick around. I want to see if we get, because the moon's going to be coming up over here somewhere. And it's kind of gnarly looking out there tonight. But we might have a clearing come in. So stick with me, guys. Well, we're in a rainstorm, everybody. This is a cool, and it's about 8:40. So, we'll see what we got. Hopefully, it'll quit raining after a while and clear off. Okay, start raining about 1 o'clock, 1:05 probably. Couple days after the super moon, the full moon. Looks like, I don't know if you guys can see it over there, probably not. Still clouds over there, still clouds over here. Not gonna get a very good view. Our view, definitely full moon. Try to zoom in the best I can with, because it ain't gonna keep it in focus for me. See what it does? It gets that red. I'll leave it at that. So at least, you know, we're getting the 90-some percent. You know, from looking up from the surface, 97% of light on the surface that I can see from here, or something like that. 90, whatever, anyway. Alright, whatever it said earlier in the video. Yeah, you guys can watch my video. Why the ball earth theory doesn't add up and the flat earth theory needs to be looked into. I talked about 360-degree circle around the center sun. Every degree representing a 24-hour a day. We're dealing strictly with time and time only as we count time. When you get around over here, the opposite side of the sun, Earth would be out of sync. Or let's say we started at noon here, we get over here somewhere, our noon should be the opposite. That's just geometrical logic. Some guy said, oh, well, yeah, but sidereal, you know, you're trying to add up fucking 4 minutes a day and then throw it all over here saying, oh, yeah, that 4 minutes. But no, we're not talking about the way they count time and in the perspective of astronomy sidereal bullshit. We're talking 24 hours on your frickin' watch. So, okay. Now, with that said, my idea is here. This is my playlist. Let's see. Okay, we're going to try it. No, we don't want that. My playlist. Got some moon videos. They're not, I don't have the fancy camera. I'm going to get the fancy camera one of these days. But, where was that video? I seen a while ago, I think it was one. Hey guys. At least we can see the phase here. That's what I'm trying to accomplish here in my videos. The moon phase. Now the moon phase in the perspective of this, what they call the sun. See, in this, and logically, yeah, it does seem to fit. It does seem to fit when the sun is behind the moon, see? But right now, what I'm doing out here tonight in this video, the sun is in front of the moon, and the moon behind it, you know. And of course, in the ball Earth rotation concept, this is, you know, supposedly in the ball Earth concept, the sun's supposedly coming up here, right? You know, but now the sun's over here on this side after the supermoon going down. You see what I'm saying? Going down, but you don't have the phase. What's the deal? So that's my point here, okay? Okay, about 2:05 in the morning now. The sun don't come up till about, I don't know, about 5:30 something. Arizona, it's probably getting closer, coming up around 6 nowadays, where it's above the horizon, whatever. Anyway, now you guys get what I'm arguing here. Let me zoom in a little bit. The moon phase, you know, you don't ever see a backward moon phase. A backward moon phase. You get what I'm saying? When the moon is in front of the sun right now, you know, it's in front of the moon, or I mean in front of the sun, you know, we're getting a nice, you see a change when it's the opposite. When the moon is behind the sun, you see the moon phase changing as the sun is supposedly orbiting this ball, but you don't see this when it's the opposite and the moon's in front. Tell me why. Okay, 5 after 3. 97.5 according to illumination of the moon, right? Okay, I can see a little bit of a, what they call the beginning of a phase up here. Can't see my hand out. A little bit of a beginning of a phase. Let's see if this changes before morning. Okay, let's see. Looking for curvature. I was just talking about, you know, the moon falling back and the sun chasing the moon, and then the sun in front of the moon as it passes it, you know. The cat and mouse chase, bullshit, whatever. You get it here. But on the flat earth, looking for curvature on the surface of the moon and the sun, you're going to get curvature on the flat earth too, on the moon, see? And yeah, I'm trying to make logic out of it with the seems like there's more curvature. You're seeing more curvature when the sun is in front of the moon. See what I'm saying? Does that make any sense? You guys leave a comment, man. I need some comments on this stuff. Okay, 4 o'clock in the morning. You might be able to see a little bit of what the moon phase looks like. We got some clouds coming in. Hopefully I'll be able to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Watch. Hang on, guys. We're going to go in the house. Okay, Phoenix. Now, if you look real close, they're giving it was 97.5 earlier. Now it's 95.8 according to them. And you can see they're showing it, you know, down underneath here. Can you see close? You can see kind of a gray haze. But the sun ain't up. The sun should be down here. You should be seeing, I would think, the gray phase up here, right? Because the sun's down here, right? Coming up. And the moon. Anyway, okay. 5 o'clock, about 5 after, moon phase. You guys ain't seeing much. I don't understand why my camera does this. Well, when I look through it, I get a nice bright sky, reasonably bright for the time of pre-dawn, if that's what you want to call it, before the sun comes up. And then I frickin' push my button. If anybody knows about this, leave a comment. Anyway, so Samsung Galaxy 2 is a camera. I've messed with my saturation. Maybe that's just the way it fucking operates. Anyway, okay. This is a cool, Jets. We're wrapping up the morning here. We got some clouds. Let me zoom in on the moon's back behind. Oh, wait a minute. Is it starting to come through right there? Let me back out. Where's that right there? Yeah, we can't see it very well. Anyway, while I was out on my walk, it's just a little bit above that little funky shape there. It's in the middle of the screen. But when I was out on my walk, an hour later from when I recorded it, like at 4, actually 3, I think to 3 o'clock, 10 after 3, when it actually, the phase actually looked like it had gotten a little more percentage, you know. It was 97 when we started. It said 95, but when I was walking, I could tell the 95%. But when I was on my walk, it looked like it was back up to 97, you know, here early morning. So yeah, okay, we'll stay with this. Okay, the sun's not even up. I try to get here. You can see they show the gray. A while ago, when I put this, was over here. The sun's not even up yet, and it's showing it down underneath the moon. What you call the shadow of whatever. Okay, you guys are with me. Okay, been a long night. About 6:55 in the morning. Daytime moon. We got a nice clear sky this morning now, finally. Try to hold still here so this camera will keep this moon in focus. But there you are. 21 zoom on this Samsung Galaxy. Whoops. I got my staff down on the ground. I'm standing up right out in front of my door here. So my conclusion is the moon is a burned out sun. Was the sun. There's people on that write websites that say the Earth used to have two suns. The Earth used to have two suns. Think about that, guys. The Earth used to have two suns. Okay. This is like my conclusion. I probably ain't gonna be making any more frickin' moon videos. I'm gonna go back to barnstorming and doing other things, but there you go. 6:55, maybe getting close to 7. The sun is up. Here comes the sun. Doodle doo doo, doodle doo doo doo. It's all right. And I would say the answer is somehow when the sun gets close to the moon, at certain times it affects its whatever's left of its polarity that was originally a part of its sun properties, whatever, and we definitely we're not on a ball Earth. Definitely, there's no doubt about that. And I'm going to name this video reverse moon phase. Oh, and then remember too, the merry-go-round, flat Earth, merry-go-round. That's in my playlist. Flat Earth, merry-go-round. Flat Earth, merry-go-round in the sky, I think. Flat Earth, merry-go-round in the sky. So this video is going to be called Reverse Moon Phase. Reverse moon phase, flat Earth, merry-go-round in the sky. I don't know. Maybe not all that, just reverse moon phase. But so anyway, I was talking about this a little earlier. You guys can talk about it, leave comments. You know, I really like that. But anyway, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, don't subscribe. This is cool, and your jet's schooling you. I mean, cooling my jets and schooling myself, because we know astronomers are full of shit. The astronomers, the astrologers, the biblical bullshit personification. Yeah, I got a video I made about that. Anyway, yeah, I'd say the moon is a burned out sun. The Earth used to have two suns. They're probably both the exact frickin' same size. I don't know how high they are, but they probably do a merry-go-round up and down as they orbit around the flat Earth, because bottom line is, I've proved beyond a shadow of a doubt with that one simple concept that I pulled out of the video, the guy talking about 100 reasons. He didn't use the terminology that Earth was 180 degrees out of sync. I put that terminology out there. You can blog that on any Google search and you will find my video. I am the only one that has said that our Earth is 180 degrees out of sync with the ball Earth orbiting the sun philosophy. So, hey, thumbs up, subscribe, don't subscribe. Do whatever you want because it don't matter. But I just schooled you if you didn't know about this stuff. And if you think I'm wrong, that's fine. I can always change my mind. So, hey, you guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking through the night with me. It's been a long one. Thumbs up, thumbs down, like I said. And remember, 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 remember to always. You're getting sleepy. I'm hypnotizing. Remember. Have a good day.